how about kung ipa-shoulder natin lahat doon sa company?
Dapat walang sinushoulder yung driver, sir. We conducted a hearing last January 8, 2025 on the matter of your instructions on the booking of not only senior citizens, but likewise for those students. And then we called the 19 ho na mga stakeholders. Of the 19, 12 appeared, specifically the big ones, Joyride, Move It, and Angkas. And in the case of these companies, the 20% discount is shouldered by the PNC for Joyride, for Angkas. However, for Grab, 40% is shouldered by Grab and 60% is shouldered by the TNBS operator. It's not the driver, yung may-ari po nung sasakyan. So that was the basis of our study, Mr. Chair, on the matter of your instructions for me to conduct.
So ibig sabihin, sa Grab, 60-40.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung sharing
Yung
mismo
iba,
yung TNVS.
80% is for
80.
Joyride, 80% is shouldered by the operator, 20% shouldered by the TNC. Yun pong may-ari ng app. Operator po is yung may-ari ng sasakyan po.
Okay.
So ganun po ang breakdown nila, Mr. Chair.
And sa Grab is?
For Grab, 40% is shouldered by Grab, 60% yung may-ari ng sasakyan or the TNVS operator, not exactly the driver. Kung sino man yung nagmamaneho, they shouldered 60%. Yun po yung pag-aaral namin, Mr. Chair.
So sa pag-aaral ninyo, Attorney Guadis, how about kung ipa-shoulder natin lahat doon sa company?
Yes, Mr. Chair. We're now drafting a memorandum circular which will be implemented this February, wherein all of the discounts will now be shouldered by the operator and by the owner of the app. In this case, for example, sir, kung si Grab, si TNC Grab, and yung may-ari ng sasakyan po. But definitely, the driver should not be included in the equation, sir. Dapat walang sinushoulder yung driver, sir.
Correct. Kasi yun ang nakikita natin problema the last time, and I've been talking to several commuters, mga estudyante. Nalalaman pala nila yan na discounted pag halimbawa sinabi kong saan pupunta, halimbawa sinabi ko ng school, estudyante ka. So may hirapan ka makakuha ng booking. And isang dahilan dyan ay sapagkat yung pala nag-share sa discount, pag-shoulder sa discount ang mga rider. Pero kung ikarga natin lahat yan sa owner ng app, then siguro maging mabilis yung pagtugon ng mga riders natin. So, can we do that from now on? Ipa-shoulder natin lahat sa owner ng app, sa TNC?
Yes, Mr. Chair. As in fact, you have instructed me to conduct a hearing. I did. This time, Mr. Chair, we will come up with a memorandum circular, copy furnish your office, wherein the shift now for the payment of the discount would be to the holder of the application, like Grab, Angkas, and the rest, Mr. Chair.
Very good, very good.